Loudspeakers and earphones are by nature mechanical and therefore have inherent physical limits. Even the most talented engineers are constrained by these limits. There'll always be coloration on the sound, regardless of the price and quality of the components. Dirac HD Sound is an advanced patented software technology that analyzes and corrects these colorations, optimizing the performance of sound systems. Different from traditional approaches, this technology not only optimizes the frequency response, but also corrects the impulse response of sound systems. The impulse response optimization results in improved clarity, tightness, and all spatial aspects of the sound, such as location and distinctness. The advanced frequency response optimization brings back the true characteristics of the sound. Dirac HD Sound is tailored to specific sound system models. It's fundamentally different from sound effects. Dirac HD Sound makes sure you perceive the correct locations of singers and music instruments thanks to the improved staging. Music is rendered more natural and clearer with less noise. More precious details in the music are preserved, while the bass is tighter. Listeners can enjoy the music for longer periods of time with reduced tiredness. Make your ears believe that you're enjoying live music.